I want to share my favorite skincare tool to light up your skincare routine. The Current Body Skin Face and Neck LED Light Therapy Devices. It has 132 LED bulbs with pillow technology for a complete skin coverage. Do you see how strong this light is? Yes, they reach out really deep into the skin, up to 4 centimeters. Let's appreciate the silicone used in making this mask. This makes it much more lightweight instead of a hard and heavy plastic. You don't need to plug it in an outlet, you charge the controller and connect the mask to it. With the mask, you'll also get these protective eyeglasses. The Current Body Skin LED Neck and Deck Perfector uses the same technology. They target the fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of aging in respective areas. We can't forget about this area, how damaged it can get from sun exposure. It comes with two straps to adjust as you wish, and you can use it while doing any other activity in the house. This is an amazing duo that I've used and saw great results with. This is a quick before and after on how this device calmed down my acne, stimulated collagen, and helped heal my hyperpigmentation. And I'll share a discount code that you can use. It's Madella CB, and you'll save 20% off at checkout. Let's glow together.